How to fix Temu verification code not received on Android. This tutorial shows you how to troubleshoot and resolve the phone number verification error on Temu. First, make sure your network connection is stable. Check that your Wi-Fi or mobile data is properly turned on. After that, swipe down from the top of your screen and toggle airplane mode on for a few seconds, then turn it back off to refresh your connection. From there, go to your home screen and long press on the Temu app icon. Then tap the Info or I button. At this point, tap on Storage and tap Clear Cache. In the next step, go back to App Info and tap Force Stop, then Confirm. Finally, restart your device and open Temu again. Then request a new verification code. It should now arrive successfully. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you fix your Temu verification code issue, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates.